All right, today we're going to try something different. We are going to ask each other short little bursts of questions, and the other person's going to answer the question. So my question to Tim is, what do you do when a client calls and they don't know whether they can afford an attorney or not?
Typically, they don't call asking if they can afford an attorney or not. They ask what our prices are, and then they feel like they can't afford an attorney. But if you feel like cost is going to be prohibited to you getting a private attorney, there are some steps that you can take first. Each area has a free legal service, a legal aid. So figure out where your legal aid center is. You can Google it, legal aid of Central New York, where we are, legal aid of Western New York, legal aid of Southern New York. Call that number. They should be able to have the guidelines that they go over and ask you some financial questions and whether or not you would qualify for free legal services through their organization. The other thing you can do is you can always call the courthouse and say, you know, I'm looking at possibly filing some petitions and things like that. What are the standards for getting free attorneys? What are the income guidelines? And they'll tell you what they are, the same guidelines they use to make a determination when they're going to offer you a free attorney in court.
Okay, thanks, Tim. So we're off to the next question.